42% of the world's population uses social media. That's about 3.2 billion people. These billions of people could actually become your customers and your users if you have the right social media strategy. Hi, this is Nabeel Qadeer, and today we'll be talking about how you can build a smart social media strategy for your brand. Social media is gaining more and more prominence day by day in our daily lives. For businesses and marketers, this is a great opportunity. A tricky one though, but if you use it well and capitalize it well, you can really enhance your brand in the process. So let's get directly into the steps that we can take to build a smart social media strategy. Step number one is to define your goal. Your objectives and your goal goes hand in hand. Every move taken by the business should be taking the business and the brand a step closer to its main goal. If you're trying to build brand awareness, make sure you give your business a personality. The question you must ask yourself is, are you in this to create a brand or actually boost sales? Define exactly what your strategy wants to achieve. Step number two, reverse engineer. Start from the goal, connect the dots backwards, and go back to point zero. Make sure you have clear steps in mind as to what you will do next. Step number three, set a timeline. Your grand plan should be time-stamped. It's always true that there's nothing definite about any business, yet a plan and a strategy must be in place. Step number four, define brand personality. Engagement is everything on social media. The more responses your posts get, the higher is the chance for you to appear on more searches. This is how the algorithm works. To do this, it's important that you get the attention of your audience. That's something you can't do if you don't engage. Always remember that being niche or specific on social media is never a bad thing. There's enough traffic for everyone. In fact, it will help you find a convertible audience. Step number five, create well-planned content. Your content should be based around the same themes, and of course it must and should be intriguing. After all, it needs to stand out in a sea of posts and ads. Following these 5 steps will give you a good start. There's a lot of learning and unlearning to do along the way. Before leaving though, I'd like to leave you with some general tips. Listen and adapt. Don't be stubborn about your approach if it's clearly not working. You're not smarter than the customer, so don't try and bring them to your level. Listen to what they're saying and see if you can incorporate their feedback. Do not make every post about promoting a product. Taking on one channel at a time is not a bad idea. Hone your skills on one platform, learn it properly, encash it, and then move on to another platform. Keep a close eye on engagement analytics and take actions accordingly. Staying afloat on social media is a wise thing to do, yet you're never completely done with it. Regular analysis of your performance is extremely necessary. I hope you found these tips useful. There's a lot more to social media marketing, which we'll be talking about in future videos. Thank you.